Halimaw pa rin si Dave Ildefonso mga idol. Parang nagdadang party lang laban sa Basilan Port Masters. Binuhat pa rin ang team ng Abra Weavers at gumawa ng new career high. Pero ang veteran na si Iman Calo mga idol, pinakitaan din ng Abra ng kanyang magandang footwork. Tara mga idol, ating silipin ng kanilang bakbakan. Abra Weavers versus Basilan Port Masters. Pero bago dyan mga idol, paki-like naman, share at subscribe sa ating channel.
At forward number 8, Sherwin Concepcion. The other forward number 16, Adi Santos. Playing center number 21, Rabah Al Husseini. Two guard number 19, the poker, Eman Calo. And at point guard number 74, Jeff Viernes. The head coach is Mac Tan, as he's playing as center number 55, Yusef Taha. At forward number 9, Raven Gonzalez. Two guard number 6, Jason Apolonio. Point guard number 4, Marwin Taiwan. And at forward number 1, Dave Ildefonso. The head coach is a younger son.
Virtually non-existent muna yon dahil nag-malfunction yung game clock. But nonetheless, Abra wins the tip here. Let's see if they run the same play. This is Dave Ildefonso. Again, 3 drives. This time he draws a foul.
You made him give up that ball, or unfortunately you fouled him, which happened in that case para dito sa Basila.
Marwin Taiwan, bullet pass to Jason Apolonio. Steps back, takes that outside shot. That's a free-pointer for Jason Apolonio.
And Jason Apolonio.
Al Husseini. Great cut, Adi Santos able to beat everyone for the basket. Gonzalez able to poke that ball free. Ildefonso is gone on the other end.
And so finally for the 3 from the 3-point area. And so, you know, to have that much makes and attempts, meron ba nagsisimula magandang shooting rhythm para dito kay Jason Apolonio? We don't know. So see a 3 right there.
Sherwin Concepcion gets the bounce. That's the lead down to 2-7-5.
And when you look at kung 3 points ang pag-uusapan, mas maraming attempts at 3 points itong Basilan. They're getting 8 more attempts versus that of Abra, but they are making almost the same, roughly about 7 3-pointers a game. Oh, a steal! Oh no!
Look out below, Dave Ildefonso with a slam!
Boy, and Dave Ildefonso really is the one guy who sets up the game for the Abra Weavers. A really strong start, and you know, just yung yung
Rebound.
immediately they're pushing. Kita mo yung depensa ng Basila, nakababa ka agad
Cruz Dumont against Sherwin Concepcion. Off the curl, Marwin Taiwan bouncing it to Yusef Taha.
Wow.
Oh, what a pass! Raven Gonzalez, basket and 1. Eman Calo, sidestep 3, short. Running start for Dave Ildefonso. Again! Oh my goodness!
Oh my! Right now, with so much things going on in this game, you are still just down, and be consistent through the next play. You gotta play the next ball.
Joshua David back to Cruz Dumont. 3-point shot finally drops for Jack Cruz Dumont.
29%, 6 makes on 22 attempts, but tonight, magandang production nila dito. They're 2 out of 5.
How about Gab Tagangon? Cool as ice, 4 straight points.
At, you know, pumawi siya. Because he understood that, you know, very poor shooting offensive game for him is not gonna cut it, especially if you're playing for the Abra Weavers.
Masturan. Oh, great pass. Dembra cuts and scores. Second remaining, that he will not work. First quarter comes to an end. Quarter number 1. Maraming salamat, Lyra. What do you think of the execution of Abra, particularly in that game against Rizal, where, as we see here, Gab Tagangon score on that 3-pointer?
I think it really starts defensively para dito sa Abra Weavers. You only allowed so many attempts for 67 attempts para dito sa Rizal.
Right now, they
Agree.
are keeping in step. Actually, they're executing flawlessly. As you saw James Tembra swoop in and score on that feed.
They got 20. Move on to the next. You got to prevent them from getting 20 because otherwise it will only mean scorers are getting to the cup just like that one.
Dipsy-doo from Encho Serrano.
Tira na yun yan. No, ni Enzo. 3 on its way.
Jervy Cruz, good looking stroke.
Wala namang question dyan sa 3-point shooting ni Jervy Cruz. Oh, man!
That's a golden.
That's a goaltend right there for the Abra Weavers.
Eman Calo, stop and pop jumper to give Basilan a 3-point lead.
Very uncomfortable for Dave to even... Oh, what a pass!
Adi Santos no foul, but Rama Aloseni there to clean it up.
Oh my goodness!
Winning story, +8 ang Basilan. And that has really triggered their fast break opportunities, but they turn the ball over, leads to this Encho Serrano basket.
And that's where they
Drive. Abra a chance to tie or take the lead on this possession. Taiwan, stop and pop jumper, nothing but nylon.
for Basilan that you got Raba Al Hosseini actually playing good floor defense. Oh man.
Dave again on the run. He scores. 6-0 run for Abra. And it's ante ng dalawa. Under 2 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
This one's interesting.
Serrano backing down the much smaller Pasturan. Kicks it out. Swing pass. Ildefonso. Three-pointer is good.
Guards right in front, everyone can score. And this is going to be a spread defense, 1-on-1 to try and break down the defense.
Serrano contorts himself. Dave, multiple pump fakes. Lays it up and in. Plus a foul to beat the buzzer. Walang sigurado po dito until the final second. Dave misses. And that's gonna do it for the first half.
And they got huge help off the bench.
At the half, Abra on top, 39-32 over Basilan. Of late, but Basilan will have possession here to begin the third quarter. Gab Dagangon, that shot does not work.
Yeah. And I feel Basilan, outside of the run towards the end of the second quarter by the Abra Weavers, they're still in a good place.
Oh, that's a strong move off that pick and roll action by Ray for Basilan. Oh, if you remember, as Jeremy Cruz, again, third block already for Raymond Gonzalez. Tempra losing the ball in the air. And now Abra on the run. Ildefonso crossover, lays it up and in. That's picture perfect from Dave.
I don't that he rose and took that shot. Did not attempt to break down the defense. Oh, wow.
And you're certainly happy seeing Gab points.
Oh, wow. And Gab Dagangon, he's 2 out of 4 from 3. Taiwan takes it back.
All net on that triple. Marwin Taiwan, 6-minute mark of the third quarter. Gab Dagangon, able to roll that one through. Nakita mo yung kumpiyansa ni Gab Dagangon.
Table default yung kaharap niya.
The lob,
There you go.
Gonzalez.
Raba Hosseini returns for Basilan. Enzo Navarro. Dangerous pass. Almost a turnover. Hosseini.
Good pass.
Good fake. Basket and one for John Mahari.
That they're close to that next win. Every time they take on the floor.
Taha in traffic. Hosseini. Wow. All over him. Taha.
And Taha.
Eman Calo. Oh, great pass. Mahari all day to shoot. Can't get it to go. But Calo right there. Fadeaway jumper is pure.
For Coach Rich Alvarez, and you pull in an Adi Santos. Ganda.
Carbon copy yan. Sa kaliwete lang. Hook shot by Raba Hosseini is successful. Remaining in the third. Navarro against Taiwan. Turnovers natin 16 for Basilan, 12 naman para sa Abra.
Oh man.
Raba Al Hosseini.
Joshua David answers with a mid-range jumper of his own. Advantage. 8
Take action.
seconds remaining.
Take action with Dave.
Kick out. Joshua David. Get back in the free. Oduba. Tapigan ng bola. And third quarter comes to an end. At the Weavers. find themselves ahead by 9 points to begin the fourth quarter. They have the possession. Nasupalpal.
So Basilan is actually doing a good job of just keeping it real close to 20, nothing over 20 per quarter para dito sa Abra Weavers. Encho's favorite shot.
This is the first taste of a double-digit spread para dito sa Abra, 61-50.
Oh, wow.
Fairness, that ball poked loose. Joshua David turns defense into offense.
And a quick turnover, which results in another point off of it for Abra.
Jeff Viernes, Jervy Cruz, Rabal Husseini, Eman Calo, Sherwin Concepcion, the 5 on the floor for Basilan.
Wow.
Eman Calo able to
Shake action.
turns the corner. Batino, hip check, basket and one. Now quote, itong Basilan, no? Going deep into their bench, inserting Omar Larupay. Ooh, that's a careless turnover against Basilan.
Yeah.
Larupay, sumugal, leads to Batino, getting a free run to the rim, but
There we
can't
go.
convert. Eman Calo, sidestep, lays it up and in.
What a footwork.
Been killing the comeback attempt of Basilan, leading to more turn-off time.
Yep.
Approaching the halfway point of the fourth quarter. Gab Dagangon, bounce pass inside Larupay, wala, tapik ni Mahari ay pasok. Under 4 minutes remaining, Basilan down by 12.
Gotta be really efficient here.
Larupay, short stab,
There you go.
broad.
Yeah.
Who came off that 20-point, 18 rebound outing against Bulacan.
Ang gustuhan mo doon is konti lang yung nagamit na oras. Nakapunta sila kagad. Ngayon, kailangan mo dumepensa. Kung ikaw
Solid
ang Basilan.
screen by Yusuf Taha. Three-pointer! Knocked down by Dave Ildefonso. That's a bit too tight of a pass. Mahari goes right at Dave. Gets it in, plus a foul. At 10 points, 72-62 for Abra. Taiwan hands it off to Ildefonso. Takes another
Oh,
free.
man.
Ball down for Basilan against Encho Serrano. Concepcion offering that screen. Calo, tough shot over
Oh,
CJ, making it look easy.
That up screen. Right.
Their next 3 games, and here in their fourth one, the coming out party of Dave Ildefonso.
Yep.
Our final score, 64 for the Basilan Viva Port Masters, 75 for the Abra Solid North Weavers. Now we